Ever pondered on what to do with those old jeans of yours? How about transforming them into something practical, useful, and stylish? Today, we'll navigate through the simple steps to upcycle your old jeans into a trendy tote bag. Firstly, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need your old jeans, a sewing machine, sewing needles, thread, scissors, a ruler, and a pen or pencil. Let's dive straight into the process. Begin by cutting the legs off your jeans. Don't worry about being too precise at this point, as the edges will be sewn later. Once you've severed the legs, it's time to sew them together. Pair them side by side and sew along the edges, leaving a small opening at the top. This will form the main body of your tote bag. Now, it's time for a little magic. Turn your sewn jeans inside out through the opening you left. Suddenly, your rough-cut edges are hidden and you have a neat, seamless bag. But wait, we're not done yet. Remember that opening you left? It's time to sew it up. This will seal off the top of your bag and give it its final shape. Next up, every tote bag needs a sturdy handle. For this, you can use a strip of fabric, an old belt, or even a piece of rope. Sew it securely to the top of your bag. Now, you've got the basic structure of your tote bag, but who said functional can't be fashionable? Here, you can let your creativity run wild. Add patches, buttons, or other embellishments to personalize your bag. If you prefer a more structured bag, consider adding interfacing to the fabric before sewing. This will give your bag a more rigid shape and help it stand up on its own. And voila! You've successfully transformed your old jeans into a chic, reusable tote bag. Not only have you created something useful, but you've also given new life to an old pair of jeans that might otherwise have ended up in a landfill. That's it for today's tutorial. If you've followed along and created your own upcycled tote bag, don't hesitate to share your creation in the comments. It's always a pleasure to see how these projects turn out. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more creative and sustainable DIY projects. Thanks for watching.